Hello, in this video I'm going to present to you a new feature, namely the geo-search, or the possibility to search for places each time you're working with maps within Explorer. So Explorer works mainly based on maps, and users do not always have an ease to find places on maps. You need some experience to be able to read maps and identify some places on a map. But with this new feature, we are making life easier for users to find certain places. To show you how this works, I'm navigating to my site management page. So my demo project has 4 sites, and I would like to add another site which is located a bit far away from my project region or from these 4 sites. So I could now zoom out or change my label to find that place, but I'm really a bit lost here. What I can do now as a user is to make usage of this search possibility, where I will type in an address or a place or even a region. So the system gives me a few possibilities, and immediately I see the one I'm looking for, and I will click on it and the platform will take me to that place. And like that, I will be able to identify much quicker the place where I want to create my next site, which in this case would be this area here. Okay, so this search feature will be available on all maps in the back end, and I hope this will make your life easier when setting up the sites of your project.